Hey guys, so got a internal sensor here. So unlike the external ones, if you want to pair these, best thing to do is to do it before you put them in or go to a tire shop. So all of it here is a like a weed sprayer. So basically it's just a pressurized chamber. And all we're doing is, as you can see here, we got 1 to 9. This is our 10th sensor, and I've got bags here with the different numbers on them, so you know which is correlated to which. And all you do is you plonk this into the container, put the lid on, you pump it so that it is pressurized, and then from there you go and pair it. So if I press pair on that and the countdown begins, I grab the cap, push it in, tighten it, and I start pumping. There you go, so that's paired now. So when you go to the tyre shop, they put that on your 10th tyre, you'll know which one it is, and then yeah, everything will pair nicely. So definitely something I'd recommend doing before you go to the tyre shop. Cheers.